That right there cost me $12 to fix. A rock hit my SUV's windshield on the highway and gave me a classic star crack on my brand new windshield. Instead of a full windshield replacement, I'm trying the RainX windshield repair kit. Here's the process, the results, and my thoughts on the product. The thing about a star crack is it's not going to stay a star crack. Every bump, every temperature change, it spreads. Give it time, and you're replacing the whole windshield. If you catch it early, before dirt and moisture gets in there, you've got a real shot at creating a fix that lasts. The crack I had was about 2 days old when I attempted this fix. Before we get started, I want to set some expectations. This product isn't going to make the crack completely disappear. RainX says it helps with visibility and stops it from spreading. And that's what I was after. If you're expecting brand new glass for $12, you're going to want to lower those expectations. Stopping the damage and making it way less noticeable, that's a realistic goal. Here's how I made the repair. Here I am cleaning out the crack and then mounting the application base here. This was fairly simple. However, I got it wrong. There's little tabs that you can use to correct that. I found that getting a vantage point from up top was a little bit better, and then from the inside of the car was also great. Here I'm checking how the pressure driver impacts the pressure of the resin chamber on the windshield. Had to take a few attempts at this and make sure that the pressure was hitting just over the crack. Different angles to make sure that I got this right. Tightening it down, making sure that the pressure was there. The resin cures from UV light, so I'm adding a little shade just to make sure that the sunlight doesn't cause it to cure prematurely. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that resin into the chamber and apply the pressure. I have to repeat this several times because you want only a few drops in there at a time. Press it in, check to see if it filled everything you needed. If not, rinse and repeat. Checking from the inside of the vehicle was really helpful to make sure that I could see things as they progressed. The cracks would get clearer as the resin filled them. Near the end here, I do get a drip that comes out, letting me know that I have filled the crack completely. Once the crack is filled, I place a curing strip over the filled crack to make sure the resin cures flush with the windshield. Did have to add a little extra there to make sure that everything was flush and filled. I didn't have enough sunlight, so I had to come back the next morning and pull it off, double check, and then scrape everything with the razor blade that they provided. Different techniques. I couldn't find one that really worked well, but continuing to be gentle with it and scrape away. For $12 and half an hour, the crack is barely visible and hasn't spread a millimeter. Is it perfect? No. Is it better than a $300 replacement? Absolutely. If you've got a fresh chip or crack, grab this kit before it gets worse. Like and subscribe if this helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.